Hello everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest video, which is going to be all about what a weekly food shop looks like for us. I chose to film this week because this week we actually have the whole family home for a whole week, which is quite unusual in our household. Usually my partner will be here, there, everywhere, Monday to Friday, but he's home for the week. So this is like our normal family shop for a family of 4. And I know you guys love to see, I love to see what people get in their food shops. So I thought I will share with you. Cooper's joining. He's over there somewhere. There he is. Hello, Puppet. This comes from Lidl and Sainsbury's. 95% of it is from Lidl, and then some other bits are from Sainsbury's because I can't get them at Lidl. You gotta love Lidl, Aldi, but you know, there are certain things that you just can't get, so you have to go to the bigger supermarkets. But yeah, I'm also going to show you how I've been really trying to plan what meals we have each night of the week rather than just picking up what I fancy. But yeah, I'll show you what I got first, and then I'll show you how I have been planning meals for each night of the week. Oh, also, in case you're interested, this came to about £100. So I spent, I think, 60 something pounds in, excuse me, 60 something pounds in Lidl, and then I spent about £40 in Sainsbury's, because that's where I had to get Cooper's milk, nappies, food, like that all adds up. So yeah, about £100 I'd say for the week. And are you gonna help Mummy do the video? Yeah, also this week, I didn't have to think about Wednesday because I'm eating away from home on Wednesday and Leo eats with my parents after school on a Wednesday. So it's gonna go Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, just so you know. So we have got Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then emergency meals because sometimes they're needed. So loud. Shh. Monday we are going to have burgers. So I got the Lidl Aberdeen Angus beef burgers. I got 4 because I will have 1, Leo will have 1, and Clint will have 2. I'm annoyed though because I forgot to get the burger buns. Totally forgot the burger buns, but that is what we will have tonight. So that's Monday's dinner, and there's also some sweet potato. I think I'll just do some sweet potato wedges to go with those as well. So that's Monday. Tuesday, I'm gonna do a bolognese. So I got a pack of mince and I got the penne to go with it, and this was actually from Sainsbury's, but this Lloyd Grossman tomato and smoked bacon is the best sauce with the bolognese, just so you know, and a tin of chopped tomatoes as well. Also, I got rice to go with it because Clint prefers to have it as a chili, so I just turn it to chili and then he can have that with rice. So then I'm ignoring Wednesday and I'm jumping to Thursday. So here's Thursday. Thursday, we're gonna have some breaded chicken with some Mediterranean veg. Clint's just walked in. Come to see Cooper. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You couldn't write it. Clint walks in, picks him up, happy to see him, and he'd had the biggest nappy explosion all down his leg. So we just had to stop and have a little change of clothes, which he's very upset about. But we'll continue the video. You can help Mummy. Yeah? You help Mummy, you and your little gorilla. Yeah? Can't really remember where we got to, but yeah, I think we were saying Thursday. We've got breaded chicken with some Mediterranean veg. Yum, yum, yum. Again, we've got sweet potatoes this week, so we could use those. Friday, I'm gonna make some dirty fries. So I just got some frozen French fries, some barbecue pulled pork, and I chop up some chorizo, put it on the fries with some cheese. Honestly, it's delicious. Leo won't want that. So Leo's got some options here. I've got him one of the little mini cheese and tomato pizzas, or I've got him some frozen bits. It's always good to have emergency freezer things, isn't it? Got some fish fingers, some waffles, so he can choose what he wants on Friday. I also got this for Clint. He loves this, meatballs al forno by Lidl. It's good just to have in the fridge if he gets hungry, because he's a bloke and gets hungry at any hour of the day, basically. So that's all the main bits. Got a couple of bunches of flowers, because I always get those in the weekly shop. I normally would just get lilies, but not lilies, what are these? Tulips. But I got some roses as well today, because it's Valentine's Day today, if you're watching. And bread-wise, I got a loaf of Hovis, and I got a pack of New York bagels as well. Me and Leo love a bagel. Fruit and veg, we have got some bananas, You love bananas, don't you, Cooper? Strawberries, some cucumber. So Cooper and Leo will eat all of those, so they always well use. This is like the snack section at the back. So we got some crisps, we got some snacks for Leo's cupboard, snacks for Mummy's cupboard, all the essentials to get through the week, basically. Have you cheered up? Let's see if I can put you down. He has let me put him down, bless him. He's all right now. So also got some butter. Lidl, by the way, do the best butter. Their deluxe West Country butter with sea salt crystals is out of this world. We always get that. Couple of yogurts for Leo because he loves these, and some burger cheese. This isn't actually just for the burgers. This is how we give Trevor his medicine. Trevor is our dog who you saw earlier. This is how we give him his medicine every day. So this is always in my shopping basket every week. And some eggs because Clint is home and he loves to have sort of a fry up a couple of times a week. So we need eggs. Some squeezy yogurts for Leo, some milk, the parenting essentials over here in the back. Mummy and Daddy parenting essentials. Oh, just so you know, I mean, I don't drink beer, but this is the Lidl dupe of Corona. And Clint says it's just as good. He really likes it, so there you go, just so you know. Okay, we're into like baby corner now. So I got the wipes from Lidl, but I had to go to Sainsbury's to get the nappies because I like Pampers, and obviously Lidl don't sell Pampers. Got him his Aptamil formula, got him some snacks, Melty Puffs, rice cakes, biscottis, little snacks for his cupboard. Got him his breakfast. He loves the Heinz baby porridge, so we got banana and apple. And then got him his meals for the week. So he loves the Hip organic meals. He loves all of these, and they don't sell them in Lidl, so that's why I had to go to Sainsbury's to get these. But these will do him for the week. I also always make sure to get a couple of Ella's Kitchen pouches, because when you're out and about, these are so much easier to have in your bag and to heat up because of the pouch. So I always make sure I've got a couple of those. Drinks wise, Lidl do all of these like fruit juices. We got the Green Genius, the Revive, and the Elevate. Clint loves these, so whenever he's home I always make sure to get those. And Leo loves an apple juice, so I got some cartons of apple juice to put in the fridge. And then the Pepsi Max is for me. Obviously my caffeine fix, because I don't drink tea or coffee, so this is how I get through life. Toilet roll for obvious reasons. And then these are like the other bits and bobs, which is just bin liners and toilet blocks. I always make sure to have toilet blocks in the cupboard, always. So I feel like that's pretty much it. And what I do is I have my app, my planner app on my phone, which is called Plan Bella. So as you can see, it comes up on my home screen like this, to-do list, and then you have your to-do list there. So what I will do is I will go through each night of the week now, and I will add on what we're having for dinner onto my planner on my phone. That way I know I won't stray from it, I'll stick to it, and I know that we will have no waste at the end of the week, because I hate getting to the end of the week and just meat's gone off and it goes in the bin and it just feels so wasteful. So I find if I use my Plan Bella and I put it on my planner every day, what we're eating, it stops that happening basically. But yeah, this is what a family of four for us food shop looks like for the week, from Lidl and a little bit of Sainsbury's as well. Sorry about the poo explosion halfway through. You know, this is what it's like having a YouTube channel when you have kids. But I hope you enjoyed my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna put all this away now before it all goes off. I'm gonna want his lunch any second now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.